Hello, welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a full-time trader by profession. So in this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of USD CAD, US dollar, Canadian dollar for 19th March 2021. So this analysis is for 19th March only. You will be seeing me on Monday again with the analysis for next week. And please do subscribe to my YouTube channel if you have not subscribed yet. So thank you so much. So we can see that right now the current market price is 1.2489. Let me take out the pencil. Okay, so this is the current market price, and you can see that here I have mentioned resistance as 50 moving average. So this is the 50 moving average, and this is acting as a resistance for the market. Okay, I won't say that but the market is strictly respecting the 50 moving average as a resistance, but more or less uh, it is acting as a resistance for the market. Okay, because there is no particular resistance available here apart from this particular level, and this particular level is too far away. So as of now, we just need to see how the market reacts once it touches the 50 moving average level. Yes, it went up a couple of hours ago, but and it came down. Okay, after that we can see that market is trading here, and this is the 50 moving average. Let's wait for some time and see how the price reacts. Okay, so and right now we can see that there is a green candle here. Okay, so let's wait for the next candle and see. So if we see that market goes up a little, and if we see that price is being rejected from above, okay, then we can go ahead and short the market right away. If you see that price is being rejected like this, okay, we need a candle like this, price rejection from above, or a shooting star kind of a pattern, or a big fat red candle like this. Okay, we need a candle here. Okay, right now there is a gap between the 50 moving average or the resistance and the candle. So let's wait for some time and let's see. Okay, market will come down. Okay, eventually it will come down. I won't say the market will fall drastically, but market will eventually come down because the stochastic RSI is also in the overbought zone. Okay, so market will come down to cool off a little. Okay, so so just keep your eyes on this price and the 50 moving average. Once you spot that yes, price is being rejected from the 50 moving average, then you can short the market here. Let's wait for some time. Okay, you can short the market now also, but it now we have to wait for one candle or two candles. Okay, then you decide. Market will come down eventually. It will, you should get a good opportunity to short the market. Okay, and if you short the market, then your target will be this 1.2365. Okay, support 1. This support will be your target if you short the market at the 50 moving average. So because this is a overall the trend of the market is towards the downside, therefore we'll only be looking up, we'll be looking for an opportunity to short the market. Okay, short the market. So this is the simple analysis for US dollar, Canadian dollar for 19th March. Hopefully you have understood, and if you've liked the video and found the video informative, please give a thumbs up, and please do subscribe to my YouTube channel for regular market analysis, and do check out the Forex analysis playlist for the analysis of other currency pairs. Thank you so much and good luck. See ya next week. Bye bye.